Okay guys, so welcome back in our YouTube channel. Whistling sound during compressor engage. So we have Eclipse Cross here, 2023 model. AC noise, whistling noise. We discharge the Freon 1348 in our AC system. Then we will do vacuum. Okay guys, so I installed the low side service valve in our AC system. Then in our gates manifold here, connect to our low side in our AC system. Then our service valve yellow or red going to our vacuum pump here. From our service valve here, then we connected in our vacuum pump, and we will switch on our vacuum pump. Okay, then we will open our service valve in our low side. Then we'll open this service valve in our vacuum pump. Okay, and we will wait until 15 minutes maximum, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, guys, so after we vacuum the AC system, we will add compressor oil 20 ml. We will add this small cup of compressor oil full. This is equivalent to 20 ml. Okay, this is our compressor oil, Sunpag 56. Okay, full 20 ml. Okay guys, so we charge the AC system with 450 grams of 134A. So now no more whistling noise during AC is on, especially when AC compressor is working. Okay, so thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. See you in next video tutorial.